Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth to your CLA 250. First, ensure your mobile phone's Bluetooth is active and discoverable. Next, navigate to the telephone menu on your car's infotainment screen. From there, you will select the option to connect device or Bluetooth devices. This initial step prepares both your phone and your vehicle for the pairing process, making it simple to establish a new connection. Now, on your car's display, choose the option to search for devices or add new device. Your CLA 250 will then scan for nearby Bluetooth devices. Once your mobile phone's name appears on the list, select it. A pairing code will then be shown on both your phone and the car's screen. Confirm that these codes match to successfully complete the secure pairing process. With your device successfully paired, your phone should now be connected for both hands-free calls and seamless audio streaming. You can manage all audio settings and control the volume directly through your CLA 250's infotainment system. If you encounter any connection issues, a simple restart of both your mobile phone and the car's system often resolves the problem quickly. Your CLA 250 is quite versatile, capable of storing up to 8 different Bluetooth devices in its memory. However, remember that only one device can be actively connected for calls and audio streaming at any given time. To disconnect a device, simply select it from the car's Bluetooth menu and choose the Delete or Disconnect option. This keeps your connections organized and secure.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.